port city within a few decades? Dalian, a vibrant city in northern China, is the epitome of such a transformation. Nestled on the tip of Liaodong Peninsula, Dalian's story begins as a humble fishing village, its people dependent on the bounty of the Yellow Sea. The late 19th century marked a turning point for this quaint village. The Qing dynasty, in its twilight years, recognized the strategic location of Dalian and started developing it as a naval base. The city's natural, deep-water harbor was a perfect fit for the burgeoning maritime activities. Dalian's emergence as a port city had begun. However, the influence of foreign powers played a crucial role in shaping Dalian's destiny. Following the First Sino-Japanese War, Dalian came under Japanese control and saw extensive infrastructural development. The city's layout, the railway system, and many iconic buildings that stand to this day were products of this era. Post-World War II, Dalian became a pawn in the chessboard of global politics. The Soviets took over the city and continued its development until its return to Chinese control in the mid-20th century. Each phase of foreign occupation left an indelible mark on the city's fabric, molding Dalian into a unique blend of Eastern and Western influences. But Dalian was not just shaped by external forces. The tenacity and resilience of its people played an equally significant role. They embraced the changes, adapted to the new circumstances, and strived to make Dalian a city of prosperity. Today, the city stands as a testament to their hard work and determination. From a humble fishing village to a strategic port, Dalian has come a long way, but the journey had just begun. So, how did Dalian leapfrog into the 21st century, becoming a modern port city? The metamorphosis of Dalian into a contemporary port city is a tale of resilience, vision, and relentless effort. After the ravages of World War II, Dalian underwent a significant reconstruction phase. The city's leadership and its people, both equally determined, took to task the rebuilding of their beloved city. The period of post-war reconstruction saw Dalian rise like a phoenix from the ashes. The city's iconic skyline began to take shape, and the streets buzzed with renewed energy and optimism. But the real game-changer was the economic reforms initiated in the 1980s. These reforms acted as a catalyst, accelerating Dalian's transformation into a modern city. During this period, the government played a pivotal role in shaping the city's future. Policies were designed to foster economic growth, attract investment, and encourage innovation. The private sector also had a significant part to play. Entrepreneurs and businesses, both local and international, recognized the potential of Dalian and contributed to its development. Dalian's infrastructural development is a testament to its modernization. The city's port, a vital economic engine, underwent massive expansion. Today it stands as one of the most important seaports in the Asia-Pacific region, facilitating robust trade and commerce. The establishment of high-tech zones further propelled Dalian's journey into the 21st century. These zones became hotbeds of innovation, attracting tech giants and startups alike. They have been instrumental in positioning Dalian as a leading city in the digital age. In addition to economic and technological advancements, Dalian hasn't overlooked the importance of modern amenities for its residents. The city boasts a well-connected public transportation system, state-of-the-art healthcare facilities, world-class educational institutions, and recreational spaces that cater to diverse interests. All these elements combined have transformed Dalian into a modern port city, a city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. The vision of a forward-thinking leadership and the relentless efforts of its people crafted the modern silhouette of Dalian. Now, what does Dalian, the modern port city, look like today? Imagine a city where the pulse of the booming economy can be felt in its every corner. A city that dances to the rhythm of progress and yet retains its deep-rooted cultural identity. That's Dalian for you, a cosmopolitan gem nestled in northern China. Dalian today is a bustling metropolis, a city that never sleeps. Its vibrant nightlife is a testament to its cosmopolitan lifestyle. As the sun sets, Dalian transforms into a lively party with neon lights illuminating the cityscape. Music flows from every corner. From nightclubs, live music venues, to quiet jazz bars, there's a place for every taste. The city's economy is thriving, with a particular emphasis on the maritime industry. Dalian is a major hub for international shipping and logistics, with its port being one of the busiest in the world. It's not just about commercial shipping, though, as the city also boasts a thriving fishing industry. In Dalian, the old meets the new in a harmonious blend. The cityscape is dotted with modern skyscrapers standing tall beside traditional Chinese architectures. This fusion of traditional and modern design elements is a visual representation of Dalian's journey, a city that has embraced the future while honoring its past. But what truly sets Dalian apart is its diverse culture. This city is a melting pot of different cultures, languages, and traditions. Here, you'll find a rich tapestry of life, where people from different backgrounds come together to create a unique cultural landscape. From the delicious fusion cuisine that combines the flavors of East and West, to the annual festivals that celebrate the city's multicultural heritage, Dalian is a testament to cultural diversity and unity. And it's not all about the urban experience. Dalian's natural beauty is a sight to behold. With its beautiful beaches, lush parks, and picturesque mountains, the city offers a refreshing break from the hustle and bustle of city life. Today, Dalian stands tall as a testament to vision, hard work, and the spirit of transformation. With such an incredible journey behind it, what does the future hold for Dalian? As we delve into the future of this vibrant city, we find that the possibilities are as vast as the ocean that laps its shores. Dalian's future is intrinsically tied to its port, the lifeblood of the city. Plans are already underway to expand this essential artery further. The city's visionaries set their sights on making Dalian's port not just larger but smarter, more efficient, and more eco-friendly. The goal is to create a port that not only accommodates larger volumes of trade, but also does so in a way that reduces its carbon footprint and respects the environment. But Dalian's future isn't just about expanding its physical infrastructure. It's also about harnessing the power of technology. The city is at the forefront of the fourth industrial revolution, embracing advancements in robotics, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. Dalian is positioning itself as a technological powerhouse, a city where innovation is as much a part of the landscape as the stunning coastline. The city's ambitious vision of becoming a global hub for trade and commerce is not without its challenges. Dalian's leaders are well aware of the potential obstacles that lie in their path. They understand that to build a city of the future, they must address issues like wealth inequality, environmental sustainability, and urban congestion. But Dalian is a city that thrives on challenges. It's a city that looks at obstacles not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth and innovation. Strategies are being formulated, plans are being drawn up, and the wheels of progress are turning. Dalian's leaders are committed to investing in education, fostering innovation, and building a sustainable, inclusive economy. They're not just dreaming of a brighter future, they're actively working towards it. The future of Dalian promises to be as dynamic and vibrant as its past. This is a city that's constantly evolving, constantly growing, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Dalian is a city that's not just ready for the future, it's actively shaping it. And that's what makes Dalian not just a city, but a beacon of progress and innovation. So what makes Dalian's transformation into a modern port city so remarkable? We've journeyed from Dalian's humble origins, a small fishing village tucked away in northern China, to its rise as a thriving hub of commerce and industry. We've witnessed the city's evolution, marked by its resilience and adaptability. The metamorphosis of Dalian is a testament to the power of vision, determination, and the collective will of its people. Dalian's transformation wasn't an overnight phenomenon. It was a gradual process, built brick by brick, idea by idea, over many years. The city's leaders realized the potential of their coastal location and harnessed it, shaping Dalian into a major port city. Today, Dalian stands as a beacon of modernity, its skyline adorned with skyscrapers, its streets bustling with activity, and its port humming with the ebb and flow of global trade. But Dalian is not resting on its laurels. The city continues to forge ahead with eyes firmly set on the future. It is embracing advancements in technology and sustainability, making strides towards becoming a smart city. Dalian is building a future that is not just prosperous, but also sustainable and inclusive. So what does Dalian's story tell us? It's a narrative of transformation of a city that dared to dream and worked tirelessly to turn those dreams into reality. It's a story of how vision, determination, and a spirit of innovation can shape the destiny of a city. But perhaps the most significant takeaway from Dalian's journey is its indomitable spirit. Despite numerous challenges and setbacks, the city has never lost sight of its vision. It has continued to push forward, to evolve, and to grow. The story of Dalian is not just about a city, it's about the indomitable spirit of transformation and progress. It's a story that continues to inspire and intrigue. This spirit, This unwavering commitment to progress is what makes Dalian's transformation truly remarkable, and it's a lesson that others